Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show this complete blockchain system that I created. So you can see this is the whole blockchain system overview. So within the whole blockchain system, so we have the blockchain itself. So the blockchain with different nodes synchronized to each other. The application that connected to this node, including the wallet. So the wallets can sign the transaction to transfer the coin to somebody else. So once the transaction go into the node blockchain, so the miner has to run the mining program to persist the transaction into the block. So once the block is being persisted to the blockchain itself, we can use the block explorer over here to see the block being created. So the result, the transaction after the transaction result can be seen from the wallet. At the beginning, the user may not have any coin available. So the facet itself, we can request the coin to the facet from the facet. So the facet, the requested coin can be seen from the wallet. In this program, I'm actually using Python and the Flux package. So the Python to write the whole blockchain network, and the Flux expose the API for the application to communicate with. The miner itself also written in Python. So using the TK-Inder as a UI package for the block explorer, facet, and the wallet. So these are all using JavaScript and using the web framework, the Vue, to create the UI for the user to use. Okay, so now I'm going to show the demonstration of my completed program. Okay, so first of all, I'm using PyCharm. So first of all, this is the TP chain. So I call it this blockchain network a TP chain. So TP is Temasek Poly, which is my current employee. So TP chain over here, you can see once I run it, once I run the network itself, so it will start a blockchain. So this is Python, but anyway, this is object-oriented programming way of writing the program inside, including I create a node, the blockchain as well. So the node itself actually will run a blockchain within the node. So once the blockchain is running, so there will be 1 million of TP coin being generated. So this 1 million of TP coin will be distributed at the initial stage with the 500k. 500k go to TP Foundation, and 100k go to Facet, and the rest 400k will still remain in the network itself. So in the future, there may be some mining mechanism, mining reward, so to be given to the user, to be given to the miner. So now I'm going to run this program. So the program already running in this URL. So I'm going to start two of the program. Let me minimize this one. So I'm going to run two different programs. So I need two windows. Okay, the first program is is the wallet itself. So npm run serve. So you see the web server start to run. So it's 8080 for my wallet. So aside from the wallet, I need to have this Explorer running as well, the Block Explorer. So similarly, I go to my desktop. Okay, from here, similarly, npm run serve. So the first one is S0S0. The second one will be S081. So let me minimize it and open the. Do I have a Chrome? Okay. So I will use the local host S0S0. Okay, so this is the wallet. This is the wallet. Another one is S081. So this is the Broad Explorer. So it can be seen that it's already connected to the blockchain network that I run just now. So difficulty is 3. So we can see the TP coin balance is 400k. So the facet itself, this is a facet address. So with the 100k remaining, TP foundation coin 500k. Okay. So this is connected node. Genesis block is over here. So you can see this is an index 0. So this is a Genesis block. There's no latest transaction. That's because of this initialization of the network itself. So from a wallet, I'm going to create a new wallet first. So to make it, I think once I need to create a new wallet, I need to record down what's the private key, because it's auto generated. I need the private key to do the signing of the transaction later. So create new wallet. So I can create a new wallet. So the first one, the private key, I need to keep it. So the wallet address already been created. This is the private key. So wallet 1, brief key, quite a long one. Public key, public address. Okay, so I'm going to create a second wallet. Once I have this wallet address and the private key, I can go to open the existing wallet. So before that, let me try to create a second wallet. Let me try to create a second wallet. So perhaps this second wallet, I will use another web page to create another wallet. So this can simulate another user. Create new wallet, generate now. So this wallet number 2. So why I need to create a wallet? That's because later I will try to send the transaction over, send the coin over. Okay, so this is a private key for wallet 2, public key. And this is the public address. Okay, once I save it, I can start to do this transaction ready. Okay, put it aside. So from the first wallet, I can go to check my, okay, this one, I need to open the existing wallet first before the account balance send transaction function can be used. So enter your private key to retrieve your wallet. So I'll open the first wallet using this private key. Control copy, Control V. Okay, something wrong over here. Never mind. Let me try to open the second second wallet. Open the wallet here. So I need to open existing wallet. Okay, so this is the wallet number 2. So for wallet number 1, I still need to try to open it. Wallet number 2 is 18. Okay, so this is wallet number 1. Wallet number 2, open existing wallet. Okay, it's ready. Open, is it? So this is the wallet number 4D. So this wallet number 2, 4D EU. Okay, this wallet number 2. Wallet number 1 is the same. So I think I need to open it using this private key. Okay, it's successfully open ready. So 5454. So what happened behind is actually once they create a new wallet, so the wallet address will be persist. So persist to the network itself. So once we use a private key to at the local wallet to open it, so the local will actually use this private key to derive the original public address, then then to verify this public address at the blockchain network. So now I have my first wallet address and the second wallet address. Now both of them are open ready. So the first wallet I can try to show the balance, first wallet. So account balance, display balance, there's zero inside. So there's zero inside. So I can try to request the facet to send over some coin to me. So I can actually go to, this is the Explorer, the facet function is over here. So request to send, Control V. This is the address, send request. So the request is accepted and it's in mining process. What does this mean? If you go back to check the balance over here, so once I refresh it, open existing wallet. Okay, I still need to open the first one. Open the first one. Okay, account balance is still zero. That's because the mining not yet in the place. So we didn't run the mining program because the phaser itself is a transaction. So they distribute the coin to the wallet number 1. So I go back to my another program. the mining program. Open reason, tbchain miner, use a new Windows. So this is using the TK Inder. You can see the mining object is over here. So what it's going to do is a try to fetch the mining job from this blockchain network itself. So once they fetch the mining job, including the difficulty itself ready, they'll start to do the mining. So the mining itself simply follow the where the Bitcoin do. So they'll run the random hashing with some nodes inside. So the nodes inside. So they will actually keep on doing it until the difficulty be met. So the difficulty over here simply refer to the leading zero. How many leading zero for the block itself, together with the block data in the as a hashing input. So this is the mining process starting. So currently the difficulty is 3, so it will not be so difficult to run. So let me open this project. So you can see this is the mining program that is already running connected to this blockchain network. So once I start to do the mining, so it will say that block already successfully mined. So and also the mining block has been accepted. So there's some interaction with the block itself. Okay, now I use my block explorer to check. So block information, all blocks. So from here you'll see Control F index. So this index number one. Index number one basically is the this is the TP facet. So they're going to send some coin over. So this index number one. So the value is 10. There's no fee setting. So this is the newly created transaction over here. So the transaction should be sending over already to the first wallet address. So the first wallet address is 54. So this is over here. So this from here to here with 10 unit. So if I go to my first wallet to check the balance again, so it's show that this is 10. So this means this transaction persists to the network itself, and is being displayed at the wallet side. Okay, so this is the whole demonstration for this open wallet sending a transaction over. So perhaps now I can try to send this coin 10 coin to the second wallet address. So the second wallet current is 0. So this is a public address we have. So this public address, I go to the first wallet to send the transaction. Recipient address. So ready to send, I send 3 coin to them. I need to sign the transaction first. So this is the signed transaction. Send the transaction with the signed transaction. So this is the complete signature. Will be persist to this node itself. So I try to send the transaction. So it's actually will verify the transaction locally. After verify, actually at the blockchain side, they will verify the message as well without any tempo. So they will persist it to the as a transaction inside the mining block. So this is the transaction ID. So now if I go back to my second wallet, it will still be 0. Reason being, we still need the mining program runs. So in order to have this, transaction being persist, so I start to run the mining program, and it says it's mined successfully. The block already accepted. So I'll display the balance again over here. So you'll see the whole second transaction already being successfully transfer over. So if I going to check this Control F transaction block, So this block 101, this should be, okay, I guess I need to have this refresh over here. Okay, so this is my in block number 2. So block in number 2, so this sender signature, my in block number 2, H transaction, block number 1, block number 2. So difficulty is 3, index number 2. So this is from this address to this address with a value of 3. So which means this is a first wallet address 54 to second wallet address EU. So this is a 54 to EU. So the balance is 3. So over here we actually demo the code written for this whole complete blockchain system. So just now what you have seen, the Python program show the node, which is a blockchain network running inside. So unfortunately at this stage, there's still no synchronization of this blockchain network to the other node. So but anyway, to implement that part, we need to have the Merkle tree implementation. We need to have this Gaussian algorithm to implement as well. That will be the future improvement. So in the whole demonstration, I show the running of the node. I show the wallet, two wallet being created, and try to request a facet to send the coin to this wallet. Then show the balance, and with the miner do the mining jobs, so the transaction can be completed. So the completed transaction can be seen from this block. So one block can have multiple transactions inside. So the mining help to persist the block into the blockchain network. Okay, thank you so much for your listening. So you can contact me. I will leave my email in this video upload. Thank you so much.